Hey everyone, so I just would like to show you this cool program that I made, a new one that I made for the Femboy 8. It is a fixed point multiplier and divider. Has multiplication and division. These are the numbers A3 represented in fixed points, and then 1,5 represented in fixed point. It's 10.1875 and 1.3125. So yeah, let's try it out. It has, oh, that's not right. Okay, there we go. So yeah, it just outputs everything like that. As you can see, it gets the it prints out each number that it's doing the operation on. Prints out this. The operation prints out the equal sign, and then the results of the operation. And yeah, if I do the math right here, hold on, let me get a calculator. Yeah, calculator right here. And if you do 10.1875 times 1.3125, and yeah, that is pretty accurate, to be honest, except for this part. But just because of the lack of precision, rounding errors, it's just all that stuff. And then if you do 10.1875 divided by 1.3125 equals, yeah, it is 7.75 approximately. Pretty cool, if you ask me. So of course it features the fixed point multiplier, the fixed point divider, and also the fixed point printer. So yeah, let's just show this with some few different numbers. Now, what number should I pick? If I pick it too large, it'll go crazy on me. So what about 5 and 2? Should I do 5 and 2? Yeah, 5 and 2 something. Alrighty then. Let's try it out. I probably got the numbers wrong, but let's try it. And yeah, 5.1875 times 2.875 is 14.875, and then 5.1875 divided by 2.875 is 1.75. Let's try it out on the calculator again. And now that you know that this is not, I'm not faking it. I'm actually it's actually computing it. So yeah. Okay. 1.875 times 2.875 equals 14.9, which is about 14.875. So I got that on. What about division? 1.1875 by 2.875 equals 1.8, which is about 1.75. Pretty cool. It's working. It is working. Well, yeah, I was thinking of using this to actually make a Mandelbrot set type thing, like a Mandelbrot set with fixed point. But yeah, this is just a demonstration of fixed point working on an 8-bit system. The 8-bit system that I made, because I made it. I'm so cool. Anyways, yeah. It's a pretty cool thing. Pretty cool little test program I made, and yeah. See you guys in the next one.